Have you ever needed to quickly add a card to Trello from your iPhone? Not the easiest process, is it? Find the app, click plus, create a card, confirm the board, pick the list, type the name, then type a description, and finally you can save and get on with whatever you were doing. Trello is an amazing tool for its simple Kanban board and lists, but creating cards on your phone while on the go is definitely not its forte. I'm going to show you how you can easily add cards to any board or list in just a few seconds. Take a look at our latest onboarding metrics. I want to check our completion rate for the test Epiphany. And just like that, I've created a card in our Trello backlog. If we go to Trello and we pull up the backlog, and we've got a title generated automatically as well as a direct transcription of what I said. And it's that easy. So to do this, I'm going to show you how to set it up. Let's go into the Epiphany app. I'll go down to the bottom. Here, we've got a list of the native integrations that we've connected to that make it super easy to connect and create actions with. We also have webhook functionality, which makes it to where you can essentially connect to any tool. For the purposes of this, I'm going to use our native Trello integration. So when you click Trello, it will probably ask you to log in and authenticate. Because I've already done that, I'll just go down here and allow, and from there it will redirect back into the app. You set up an action name. I'll just reproduce the one that I used. I'm gonna call this backlog. It's got access to the workspace, and then I go click the board that I want to send to, our Epiphany board. Pick the list, so any of the lists that you have in that board within the workspace are available. We'll click backlog. Here you've got some optional settings. You can select members of that workspace or that list to assign and make the owner of that particular card when it gets created. You have access to labels, so if you label things as bugs or features or analytics or things like that, you can select those here. And then you also have the position, so by default you can have it add to the top or bottom. A few of the additional preferences, you can have the option to attach the audio file, so if you want to talk for 2 minutes and have it transcribed, but then also want to go back and listen to that for tone or context, if someone else is listening to it, for instance, you can select that here. Display title prefix. This is useful for other cases, but for this, it may just be handy to say whether that it's coming from Epiphany. And then the last option here is the AI enhancements, which if selected, will give you options to apply prompts. So we have a few default prompts, or you can create your own customized prompts that can give the transcription structure, or if you want to format it in a certain way, that's possible here. If you do select this, for instance, if I select bullet format, I also have the option to include the original transcript. I'll turn that off for now. Create action, and you can see it's created here in the bottom. And then to rearrange these, you can just go back into the profile action stage. And if you want to drag one up, just hold it and move it around. And that's it. With this, you can create cards in seconds just using your voice and Epiphany.